Hi, my name is Callie Kasperzik, and I have been with Echidna, the Echidna family, since 2015. We're a lot more than an e-commerce agency. We truly help our clients plan for the future of online commerce, change as change is needed, and grow smartly by taking insights and proven practices and putting them into play for our clients, helping them navigate the whole vast landscape of online commerce to best serve their goals.
Echidna has helped improve and enable our business to be more agile.
It doesn't feel like a customer to a vendor relationship. It feels more of a partnership and like a team.